Many times we go to the supermarket and we see this sign at one or more of the checkout lanes. Express 10 items or less. On rare occasions, we may see this other sign, 10 items or fewer. Which is the correct sign? Less and fewer are similar comparative adjectives. They are used to express quantities or amounts, and both are the opposite of more. Less is used with uncountable nouns. It refers to abstract nouns and items measured in bulk. These nouns cannot be pluralized. For example, the kids completed their homework in less time than expected. Time cannot be counted, so we use less. This biscuit recipe requires less milk than the previous one. Milk cannot be counted, so we use less. And another example is, because of the holiday, there is less traffic on the road. Traffic is uncountable, so we use less. Now let's look at fewer. Fewer is used with countable nouns. It refers to items that can be counted separately and can be made plural. Here are some examples. The students spent fewer hours on their project. Hours is countable, so we say fewer hours. This biscuit recipe requires fewer liters of milk than the previous one. Here we are referring to liters of milk. Liters can be counted, so we use fewer. And our next example, due to the shortage of petrol, fewer motor vehicles are on the road. Motor vehicles can be counted, so we use fewer. So you will see from our sentences, we say less time, but fewer hours. Less milk, but fewer liters of milk. Less traffic, but fewer motor vehicles. So even though this sign is widely used, we now know that it is grammatically incorrect. The correct supermarket sign is one that we rarely see, 10 items or fewer. Thank you for watching. Please watch this lesson that tells you about uncountable words. And please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.